If you are an on-location kind of person, you need to invest in some of these batteries. These are the Power Extra. These will work on my LED lighting kits. They will provide power to anything that's a USB plug or a barrel plug. So I use these for all kinds of things. Powering my phone, of course. Everybody needs something like that, right? My GoPros, when I'm going to be using a GoPro as an extra camera at a video shoot. A lot of times I'll stick one way up high and get this great overhead view, but it's not handy for me to reach it to change out the batteries. And this way I can put one of these on there and I've got really good strong power for several hours. I also use them on some of my professional cameras that are not the batteries that come with them just don't last very long, and I do extended period shoots. With these, what I've done is I've put some Velcro on there, and each of my tripods has a little Velcro, has a plate on it, and I just Velcro this to the plate. I actually use this barrel cord, plug into the back of the camera, and I know that camera's good for 3 hours. Then I can come through and hot swap them at some point before the 3 hours is up and keep live streaming for my clients wherever I'm at. Oh, they've got the indicator lights. Did I mention that part? See the indicator lights? I think this one is fully charged. I used this other one for a shoot the other day and I haven't finished charging it back up. I love this too because I can just swing by each of the cameras, hit this button, see where my battery power is, and then remember to swing back by there in another half hour to change out the battery. So I am really happy about that. I can't say enough good things about them. They are a must-have. I can stick one in a bag and take with me for my phone, so I've got a great battery backup for my phone. Any of my cameras, I can actually charge some GoPro batteries with this if I need to recharge the batteries and not use this as the power. Just get some. You won't regret it.